In this video I'm showing you how to import latitude longitude coordinates into Model Maker. This is just a PDF and it's in a format so that I can actually make a selection and copy the data. So I'll just copy that text and then I'll bring up my notepad on my computer and I'll just paste that into that file. We will then save this as a text file somewhere. Now in Model Maker we will go to Utility, Electronic Data. Just bear in mind the longitude value is currently 24 degrees. So here in South Africa that means we will use the longitude of origin LO25. So that's a setting you have to set up in Model Maker beforehand. So usually you would go to your settings configuration and make sure it is WGS84 Southern Hemisphere LO25. Just type it in there and then you go to Utility, Electronic Data, Geographical lat long. You can just right click that and make sure you set your file extension to the same as the file you just saved. In this case it's a TXT, but you can also use CSV or whatever you saved. Now we will click on this button again and we're going to use the format that best suits the format we saw in the file we copied. That's the sample data. We want to use this format as our coordinate format and everything else should be fine. And now we will go to OK and locate the file which I saved in my junk folder and just open it. So the program then opens up a preview of that text file. We're going to read it from left to right. You can give it whatever project description you want to give it. The column delimiter in this case is a space, so be sure to set that. And then the sequence, we're reading this file from left to right, so that first value is probably a code. The next one is the latitude. Alright, so we're going to just use A for latitude and we'll use O for longitude, as can be seen in the description at the top there. And once everything is set up accordingly, you can then just press OK and the program will do the transformation and plot the points. And if you go to normal, you can just close this dialog, it's fine. And to test, I'm just going to say output Google Earth and I'm sending my DTM out as codes or whatever. And there you have it, all the points plot in the correct position.